Well, maybe you noticed something that I got to take care of something before we go for our walk this morning. Quick car wash. Don't like a dirty car. Not at all. Well, you know, that looks so much better. All right, now we can go for a walk. How about a beach? Island view, here we go. Well, here we are down at the beach, and lots of people walking dogs and stuff. It's Boxing Day, so it's time to get out and move around a little bit and start to work off some of those mincemeat tarts and ice cream. Oh, puppies all over the place. All right, let's go have a look. I love this park. Hey, buddy. Oh, the air is so fresh. Doggies all over the place. Hey, buddy. How you doing? You gotta check out this Victoria winter. Check this guy out, he's in shorts. Yeah, that's the type of winter we're having. Not much beach today because of the high tides. Full moon last night, it looked like. When I came down this morning, my whole living room was lit up. And I look out and there's this massive big moon just outside the window there. It was gorgeous. This is nice too. Most interesting wood down here on the beaches. Beautiful sky. Well, this is the Island View campground, which of course is closed now because it's winter time, but look at this. This is new. Looks like they're expanding it. They've come through the fence here and carried down a bit farther. So there's going to be a lot more camping here, I believe, in 2024. Well, look at that. It makes sense because who wouldn't want to camp here? It's just beautiful. I just can't believe how nice it is out. Bunch of kids running around in t-shirts, guys in shorts. Amazing for Boxing Day. Well, you know, I'm just going to wander around. Since I'm in the campsite right now, I'm just going to wander across where they have the tent camping during the summer. And the last time I was over there, there were a lot of rabbits running around. I wonder if there's any over there now. Go have a look. It's closed, but I've been kicked out of better places than this. All right, see what they've been doing over here at the tenting area. See, they got all these places here for tenters. Well, they're doing some work here too. What are they building? What they got? Wonder what they're putting on here. Huh. Oh well. Well, that's good because I'm only going one way. This way. Gee, it just feels like summer in here right today. Look at this. This is all tenting areas in here. Oh, there's someone else down there. A few people wandering around in here. You know, all these lovely campsites. I think they've expanded this too. Seems to be more in here than there usually is. Oh, the hawk was kind of cool. Hope we got him okay. All right, I'll start heading back. Almost lunchtime. Time to eat again. Perfect. Well, we're back in the campground now where you can put your motorhomes. Can you imagine backing your motorhome in here, have the windows facing out here? What a view that would be to wake up to. Well, it was time to come back. That was just a great walk. I really enjoyed that. I hope you did too. Oh, I feel better to get out there and have some fresh air now. Get out of the house for a little while. Head home now. Like I said, time for some more groceries. Yeah. Oh no. All right. Get out there, enjoy these parks, and enjoy the ocean. And we'll walk again and talk again real soon. Bye for now.